Assalamu alaikum, my dear KG students. How are you all? I hope that all the students will be fine, safe and healthy at your homes. Students, it's time to learn mathematics. This is your book Falcon Mathematics. Kindly take out your book and open it. Yes, open page number 79. Page number 79. Look here. Here is the page number 79. Now look here. Today's topic is measuring height. What is the topic name? The topic name is measuring height. Measuring height means we will measure the thing that what is its height, how much it's longer, how much it's taller, how much it's shorter, short. Okay, we will measure the height of the things. Understand? Now look here. For example, there are three trees. Okay, there are three palm trees. One is tall. The number one tree is tall. It's in normal height. So we will say this tree is tall. Now look at the second tree. We will measure this tree with this tree. It's much taller than this tree. So we will say that this tree is taller. This tree is tall and this tree is taller than this tree. Okay, this tree is taller than this tree. This tree is tall. We can say this tree is tall, but this tree is taller than this tree. This tree is taller than this tree because its height is much bigger than this. Okay, now look at the third tree. Its height is bigger than these three trees. We will say this tree is tallest. We will say this tree is tallest than these two trees. Okay, this tree is taller than this tree and this tree is tallest than this tree. Understand? It is the measuring height. We are measuring the heights of these trees. Okay, now look down. Write the correct words from the word bank. Here are the words are given. We will write the words in these blocks. First of all, look at the pictures. There are three ladders. There are three ladders. 1, 2, 3. First of all, you have to search the tall ladder. Which one is tall? Look here, which one is tall? This one, because it is in normal height, so we will write here tall. Okay, T-A-L-L, tall. Now which ladder is taller than this ladder? Which? This one? No, this one. Yes, this ladder is taller than this ladder. Okay, so we will write here taller. This ladder is taller than this ladder. This ladder is tall and this ladder is taller than this ladder, and finally this ladder is tallest. Look here, this ladder is tallest of this ladder. Okay, right here tallest. Okay, this ladder is tall, this ladder is taller and this ladder is tallest. Now look here, B is there are three giraffes. Okay, which one is tall? This one is tall. Very good. So write here tall. Now which one is taller than this giraffe? This one is taller than this giraffe. Okay, so we will write here taller. This one is taller than this giraffe and this one is tallest. Okay, look at its height. This one is tallest of this giraffe. Okay, so this giraffe is tall, this giraffe is taller than this giraffe and this giraffe is tallest of this giraffe. Okay, I hope that all of you would have understood the today's concept, measuring heights. Learn this concept and do this page by yourself. Take care. Allah Hafiz.